Well, good morning. It is about 5:30 a.m. I'm getting an early start this morning before the sun comes up. Try to get camp broke down here, which I'm pretty much good to go. Just need to double check things in the trailer, make sure the bike is strapped down real good, get my windshield cover off, and I am ready to roll. I've got a long, bumpy dirt road out of here, so I wanted to get an early start before there's any traffic and just take my time. And then I've got a good full day of driving today. I'm going to try to get from Bishop, California up into Reno and then continue on past Reno, Nevada a little bit. Hopefully, if not, I'll probably just stop just past Reno, Nevada, find a truck stop or something to sleep, and continue on in the morning. It has been an absolutely fantastic stay here. I've only stayed for a few days, a couple nights, but it was totally awesome here. Hear the creek running off in the distance and just being surrounded by these mountains here. Had a couple people come in, a truck camper and a Class C that camped right back here for one night. I'm really surprised that Class C crept in here for just one night, but they made it. It's just an extremely rocky, bumpy road. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it, guys. I want to get an early start, like I said, so I'm gonna get busy. We're gonna be back on the road, continuing this adventure. Okay, let's do it. Well, this is one of those campsites where there was a lot of nails from old fire pits, people burning pallets, wood with nails in it. And yeah, a couple of the kind of gray, dark areas were a tip-off, and they were just full of nails. So I took my magnet bar and went in there and collected quite a few of them. But still, it was so bad that one section of the camp, I just put some rocks up to kind of make a barrier so people don't drive into that area. Spot up here on the right, I had camped a few years ago. Had a wonderful stay there in that spot. Remember trying to get shade down on the ledge there under that tree, carving some wood. Those are some big boulders. And there comes the sun from behind the mountains there. It's like we're in for another beautiful day as we creep along the rock bed here. Okay, we made it back to pavement. That took a little over an hour to go about 4 miles. Definitely slow going, but we made it out. Stop and take a walk around the van. We'll get back on the highway. All right, we are out of here. We are heading towards Highway 395 north towards Reno, Nevada. Away we go. Well, here we are coming back through downtown Bishop, California. Cool little town. A lot of the old buildings are still here. Old movie house on the left there. Twin Theater. Kind of quiet on a weekday morning here. It's about 7:45. Was down here on the weekend taking care of some paperwork stuff for registering my trailer. And it was busy in downtown Bishop. We've got RV parking over at the city park here off to the right. And just a ton of trailers and campers and RVs. People up and down the streets. Not like this morning though, very quiet. I think the cheapest gas in town here was $5.53. There's a native reservation. They've got a gas station. I think that was the lowest price in town. There's the park off to the right. Got a little stream running through there, a little pond, ducks and geese walking around. But we're going to be moving right on through Bishop here, heading north towards Reno, Nevada, then back into California. crossing over the mountain range and hopefully finding another camp in the national forest there. Should be meeting up with Kelly in the next few days. Excited about that. See how everything pans out. Are coming into the state of Nevada. Hello, Nevada. Goodbye, California. Battleborn, Nevada. Here we are coming back into California. Hello, California. Goodbye, Nevada. I wish I could have stayed longer. I'll be back for sure. Gotta dip back into California for a little bit. Well, this will work for a camp. I am feeling good about this. First thing I notice right off is the sound of the wind blowing through the trees. Okay, so this is my fourth camp after getting back from my last seasonal job in Alaska. Did Fossil Falls on the way out of San Diego. Then Alabama Hills, and then did behind Bishop, California. Now here, this is Butte Creek Campground in the Lassen National Forest. I'm really digging it. It looks like there is a little creek. I think there's a bigger one, actual Butte Creek. This is just a little offshoot. But there is a nice little trail going right down to it. Can filter this for drinking water for sure. Use it for washing up and that. Looks like there was some fire through here and a lot of dead, either diseased or these brown pines. So I am going to kick back at camp here for a little bit, probably get a little food in me, and think about maybe riding up to the lake this evening. I may wait till the morning, we'll see. Definitely no cell service here in this area, so I'll have to hold off on doing further research till tomorrow when I move on. But this will work for a good night's camp. Okay, well, we're getting a nice cool breeze through camp here. There is a burn ban in the area, so no campfires or charcoal grills outside, so I'm using the propane stove inside here just to be safe. I don't want to risk any more wildfires than we need this summer here. So I'm cooking up some pork. These are some pork ribs that I sliced up thin. Just getting those cooked up. I've already got some done here. Then I'm going to fry up some veggies, and then I think either do some noodles or rice with it. So what I ended up doing is marinating these pork ribs in this Aloha soy sauce with some sliced up garlic and a little bit of brown sugar. And yeah, they fried up real nice. And then I've got some couscous I did out. Have that on the side with some veggies. And there's our finished product. Ooh, that pork is tasty. You can go dig in. All right, well, we made it down to the lake here. It is a beautiful lake, beautiful day out today. Nice clear water in the lake. You can see this is all like volcanic rock built up here. This is a part of the national park. I didn't realize it. There is an entrance fee here. I do have a park pass, so I was able to get in without paying or filling anything out. Kind of a nice feeling. Normally it would be $30, and there is a campground in the park here as well, in the park boundaries. Where I'm at is outside of the park, just a few miles down the road, and it's free, so very nice option here. I'm sure you could do fishing, and there's hiking around here, boating. Be great to pop in the kayak here. There is a little ramp. So I could come down with the van, get in for free with the pass, launch the boat. Be great to get Kelly back here. Very nice. Didn't realize that this was here. I thought the park was somewhere else. I think there's multiple spots, parts of the park, different entry points. I have not done a lot of research. I might see if I can get a pamphlet, get some more info on that. But this water is inviting. See how cold it is. Not too bad right here at the shore. Warm day, it'd be nice to go for a swim. Ah, it's beautiful here. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate you being here. Well, we should be meeting up with Kelly hopefully at the next camp, and in the next video here we're going to be continuing on through Northern California into Oregon, making our way through Oregon probably a little faster than we'd like to, on into Washington State. We'll be making a trip all along the Cascade Mountain Range, camping all along the way right up to the Canadian border. Finish off our summer that way, and then I'll probably be able to get back down into Oregon to do some more exploring after that trip. So that's what's going on. We appreciate you guys following along and hope you're doing well out there. We'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.